Hello. Now we are going to look at part 2, Act 2 of the chapter Goshala. We have already seen that Akkal, the laborer, was working for Rampal Kaka and he had gone to Rampal Kaka's house to repair his roof even though it was raining. Now, अक्कल 5 हाथ का लंबा जवान, रंग वही भारत के आदिवासियों का, विदेशी आर्यों के रक्त मिश्रण का प्रभाव रंग पर न पड़कर आकार पर ही पड़ा था, खट्टा कट्टा. This paragraph describes Akkal. He was a 5 feet tall person. He was dark complexioned. रंग वही भारत के आदिवासियों का. Here, the author is claiming that the natives of India were all dark complexioned. विदेशी आर्यों के रक्त मिश्रण का प्रभाव रंग पर ना पड़कर आकार पर ही पड़ा था. The foreign Aryans who had invaded India and settled in North India. Now, those people's complexion was fair, and that fair complexion did not touch Akkal at all. Please note that this theory has since been debunked. There was no foreign invasion in India, and there are no Aryans are actually native to India, just as Adivasis are native to India. Read more about it. Coming back to Hindi, this person was a dark complexioned person, but he was strong, hatta katta, and he was not really very tall. He was 5 foot. Okay. जिस खेत की कोड़नी में अक्कल पहुंचा, उसके घर बात अक्कल के नाम पर रोए. Whichever in whichever field he would go to plow that field, in that field, kharpat, meaning the weeds, unwanted plants in that particular uh, field, they would feel so sorry that Akkal has come to plow that field and now we will be dead and we will have to go away. So here, this is a personification of the plants where plants are scared of Akkal. He is that strong. उसकी कुदाल क्या, परशुराम और बलराम के कुठार और हल की खिचड़ी. His plow, the plow that he used to plow the field. I'm not sure what the tool is called. I think it is called a plow. It was so strong that it was a mixture of the weapons used by Parashuram and Balaram. Parashuram is a avatar of Lord Vishnu, and Balaram was the elder brother of Sri Krishna. उसके जैसा महीन जोतने वाला हलवा कहाँ मिलेगा? Now, here the author is telling people that he was so talented and there was no one who could use the hull just as Akal could. हाथ घर बनाने में तो उस्ताद. He was the best in constructing a house. गांव में जितने अच्छे मकान हैं, चाहे उनकी दीवार बनाने में, चाहे छप्पर में, अक्कल का कुशल हाथ उनमें जरूर है. So, no, however many houses there are in the village, in some form or the other, Akkal has done something for that particular house. रामफल काका का वह शानदार बंगला अक्कल की वास्तुविद्या का अपार ज्ञान का एक उत्कृष्ट नमूना है. Rampal Kaka had a very big lavish bungalow, and Akkal is the person who actually made it. He is the architect of that particular bungalow. अपने इन गुणों के चलते अक्कल मजदूर होकर भी काफी प्रशंसा या खुशामद दे पाता था और पैसे भी. Because of all of these qualities, Akkal used to get a lot of money. Although he was a laborer, he would get a lot of money, unlike other laborers. Now here we talk about his family. उसके 2 बेटे और एक बेटी थी. बेटों का लालन पालन उसने औकात से ज्यादा अच्छे ढंग से किया. औकात means he couldn't afford it. He still worked very hard and then brought his sons up in a very good way. और बेटी को तो वह इस शान से रखता कि गांव की बबुइयां भी मन ही मन चिढ़ी। He would bring up his daughter in such a way that all the other girls in the house, in the village, were very jealous of his girl. That, look, oh, her father is so nice to her and whatnot. Okay? अक्कल की उदारता की चर्चा होती घर में, गांव में कभी साधु संत आते तो उनकी सेवा अक्कल जरूर करता था. So he was not only was he very hardworking and skilled, he was also kind and generous. And people would talk about his generosity. चर्चा हो ना, मतलब talk. People would talk about his generosity. गांव में कभी साधु संत आते तो उनकी सेवा अक्कल जरूर करता था. So whenever some saints or monks or sadhu would come to the village, he would go and uh, work for them. वह काम करने में सक्षम था. He was able to work. उसकी आमदनी साधारण मजदूरों से ज्यादा तो थी ही. उसने एक गाय भी पाल रखी थी और 2-3 बकरियां भी. इनसे भी काफी पैसे आते थे. So his salary was more than that of normal साधारण laborers, मजदूर. So his salary was more than normal mm, other laborers. In addition to that, he also had a cow and he also had a few goats. And because of them, he would sell their milk and then he would still earn money with